Welcome to Lagoon Wild
My bag comes with me.
Please pull your lap bar down until it fits securely against your
I guess my bag's coming with
Let's
me.
straddle the center bar.
All right, bag.
If you need assistance,
Another credit for
please
the bag.
signal the operator now. For your safety, please keep your arms and legs inside the carrier at all. Please do not extend your arms outside or above your head. Hold on tight to the handrail and enjoy your ride.
All right. Another Lagoon Wild Mouse. I don't like these rides. Here we go. It's the mouse. Whoa. Whoa. Uh-oh, is it? What's up with that pit over there? Oh no, it's one of these mice. It's not trimming. Uh-oh. Oh, this isn't good. Oh no, it's not trimming. Oh no. No, 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 no. And now it trims. Let us just fly through the track. Why not? Ah, airtime. And a sneaky trim. Into the steamy house. One more airtime help for the road. And the brace. Oh my God. We survived. We survived the Lagoon Wild Mouse. I thought we were gonna hit the kid for a second.